said, my name is Klaus. I'm from Austria. Actually, I'm studying software engineering there. I'm hopefully finishing my bachelor's degrees in September. At the moment, I'm doing internship in Leppaväära for 3 months. Yeah, now I'm going to present my project. Okay, the name of my project is Guta, Guta.com. For the beginning, I have a sentence like from the abstract of the project. So you have an idea what it is about. Guta.com will enhance the transparency and efficiency of charity by creating social media community around addictive lifestyle. The service will forward at least 100% of the donations to charity organizations chosen by the donor. That's like the idea of the project. And the project coordinators are Rina Rukunen and Joni Kataja. It's like a startup business, and this is their idea. Okay, at the beginning I had to get familiar with the project when I arrived, and so I had meetings with Rina and Joni, and they told me about the idea, about the content, and what they want to do with their idea. Yeah. They also already had an abstract, so I read the abstract to get familiar with it, and they also made some use cases. And so afterwards I tried to repeat again in my own words to tell them if I got the real idea of the project. And it's like an online community platform concerning social responsibility. And there are kind of different target groups that we'll mention later on. So this was like the content part, and then I had to get familiar with the technical stuff. So I had to decide which kind of CMS I'm going to use to implement the prototype. So I chose 2 or 3, Joomla and Drupal, to consider which one of these 3 will fit best for this project. And like, we want to have different kind of community tools, like on Facebook. I mean, you have to send like private messages to anyone. You have to have a blog. You have to have a forum and all that stuff. And so at the end, I decided to choose Drupal for this because there are many modules already available, like for community projects. Yeah. And these are the 3 different target groups of the project. It is for individuals, it's for charity organizations, and for companies. The target is also that when you visit the page, that you don't have to log in to gain the information. It means when you just visit it and you're not logged in, you have the possibility to read about the project, about Guta. You have the possibility to read about the stakeholders, to read about the different target groups. You can read the news, the statistics, the blogs, the forum entries, the profiles, and so on. But you cannot kind of make comments and all that stuff about it. You can just read it. And you also have the possibility to donate money. Yeah. And there are like a few functions which are for all target groups. It means when you are logged in, at the beginning you can make your own profile. It means there are 3 different types of profile. It means an individual person has another profile than like a company. So they just can present themselves on the profile. Then they can write like blog entries, they can write forum posts, they can make comments on other profiles, on other forum posts and all that stuff. And they can create like different kind of content. That means you can upload your pictures, you can upload your video to present your project, to present your company and all that stuff. You also have like possibility to add kind of friends to your buddy list. You can send messages, and there's also the idea to make like, for instance, once a week kind of a live chat, that there's one charity organization and one guy who's responsible for a charity organization is sitting at the computer, and he can answer your questions like in real time. And then there are different functions for the individuals. They can like rate companies. And there's like a 5-star rating system, and it means you can rate the profile of the company, and then you can like see which company is rated best, and you can also make comments on the companies. Then you can buy stuff online, like the companies have their online shop. And you can also donate for the project. And for sure you can get information about the charity organizations and the companies and ask them like what they use your money you will donate for them. What benefit does company have? Actually, when they join the project, they have an online shop, and so they can sell their projects online. And they also can present their social behavior. It means they can present it to do something special for the environment or something special for their staff and how they make their business. They also can donate money, and if they want it, it's shown on their profile. They already donated 500 euros for this project and 200 for that project, and so people can see which company donates for which project. And it's kind of very cheap way of advertising for them. Okay, and charity organizations, they also have the possibility to rate the companies and make comments on them. And the main task is to present their projects. The idea is also to make an interactive map where they can show where their projects are happening and what they are doing with the money they get from the donators, and collect money. Yeah. Okay, this is a screenshot from the page. This looks like